government has taken enough precautions by starting bridge course to the students and training the teachers to cope up with the new curriculum. I firmly believe that the introduction of English as medium in instruction from the primary level will be a game changer for the generation to come, as it will be level playing field for the students. I hope good sense prevails over the detractors and the hurdles will be cleared. Under Nadu Nedu Manabadi, in the first phase, 15,715 schools have been taken up for revamping for basic amenities like furniture, fan, toilets, running water, board and chalk, painting, compound wall, and English lab will have been built. About 3,387 crores were sanctioned for it. All 45,000 schools will be revamped in phased manner in 3 years. Health. Coming to the health sector, my government has provided oxygen to the YSR Arogya scheme, which was ignored by the previous government. The state has spent so far rupees 1,534 crore, extending the benefit to 6.25 lakh people. The number of medical ailments covered under the scheme has been increased to 2,059 from 1,059, and it has been extended to 13 super specialty hospitals in Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru for 716 medical procedures. Pension is being paid to patients with chronic disease up to rupees 10,000. Hospitalization over rupees 1,000 comes under purview of YSR Arogya. Under YSR Arogya Asara, financial assistance of 225 per day and up to 5,000 per month will be paid during the post-surgery recovery period for patients, and the state has spent rupees 72.82 crores covering 1.06 lakh beneficiaries. My government has spent rupees 53.85 crore under YSR Kanti Berugu, covering 67.69 lakh students. In the first and second phases, screening was conducted in 60,401 schools. The third phase is in progress. A total of 560 crores will be spent on this scheme in 6 phases. This apart, my government is planning to start 12,000 YSR clinics near all village ward secretariats and a fleet of 1,060 vehicles of 108 and 104 ambulance service are ready to take up. YSR telemedicine is a big hit where the doctors have a virtual intervention with the patient, diagnose and prescribe medicines. Under Nadu Nedu, government hospitals would be upgraded to national standards. Rupees 15,337 crores was allocated for that purpose. In adding to the existing 11 teaching hospitals, 6 more will come up. Agriculture. YSR Raitu Bharsa is the another scheme which has completed its full circle, and the second round was begun. Though the promise made was for 12,500 for 4 years, my government has extended it to 13,500 and for a period of 5 years to be paid in 3 installments, one before Kharif, one before Rabi, and the third during Sankranti festival. The state has spent rupees 10,209.32 crores benefiting 49.44 lakh farmers, and ours is the only government to extend the benefit to tenant farmers as well. This was never done before. A YSR Ritu Bharsa Kendra has been established in every village secretariat to cater to the needs of our farmers from seed to sale. We are also establishing 147 YSR agri-testing labs at the constituency level and 13 labs at the district level to increase agricultural production. A price stabilization fund of rupees 3,000 crores has been set up to ensure minimum remunerative price to the farmer. The state government has also earmarked calamity relief fund of rupees 2,000 crores to help farmers overcome the impact of severe drought conditions in the state. My government is committed to transform the farming activity as a profitable venture by supporting the farmers in all possible ways, especially in case of any unfortunate incident of a farmer suicide. The family members of the deceased farmer are supported by the government with rupees 7 lakhs of financial assistance for rehabilitation. My government has paid compensation to eligible farmers who were earlier denied compensation. Housing. My government is perhaps the only one in providing housing site for 30 lakh beneficiaries at a cost of rupees 7,000 crore, and unlike the earlier governments, the beneficiaries will know where the plot is and it will be registered in the name of the woman of the household. My government will be providing 25 lakh houses in 4 years, of which work will commence for 15 lakh houses in the August itself. YSR Pension Kanuku was the first scheme to be implemented from Navaratnalu, as the state has paid rupees 14,438 crore to 58.62 lakh beneficiaries, which is contrast to 490 crore per month spent up to January 2019 by previous government. The pension